Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Windows 11 without logging in through your Microsoft account. As you can see, I am installing a fresh Windows 11 in this PC. Let's wait a bit until we get to that step. This is the step from where we can't install Windows 11 without Microsoft account, and if you disconnect it from internet in hopes that it will work, it will not. The installation will completely stop and ask you to connect to a network. But there is another way to bypass it. In email, write this email and write any password. Then it will show you this. Then next. Now we are creating a local account. Windows 11 is now successfully installed, and if we go in settings, you will see that it is a local account. So this is how you can install Windows 11 without Microsoft account. And if you want to activate Windows without any product key, then that video link is in description. Thanks for watching.